Hello my lovely people, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Take your seat and your popcorn. Let's make quick and delicious cookies together. And please don't forget to like and share this video if you like this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's start by adding in your soft butter into your mixing bowl. Then add in 2 tablespoons of white powdered sugar. Use your whisk or spatula to mix until it becomes creamy. So next, add in 1 whole raw egg. After you're done, add in few drops of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Then use your whisk to mix everything together. So after you are done mixing, go ahead and add in your flour. Then add in your baking powder and also a pinch of salt to taste. So next, use a spatula to mix both the wet and the dried ingredients together until you form a smooth and perfect dough for your cookies. And after forming a smooth and soft dough for your cookies, use your spatula to cut a small portion of the dough. Use your palm to form a ball shape with the dough. Then place it on your baking tray. Keep on repeating the same process until you finish everything. And please my lovely people, you can always support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and you can also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing YouTube family. So once you are done arranging your cookies on your baking tray, use a fork to make a line shape on your cookies. Then after you are done, preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then place your cookies in your oven and let it bake for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So my lovely people, this is what my cookies looks like after I'm done baking them. And please don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. Also like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.